if you've been struggling with portrait mode not working properly on your iPhone camera, you're not alone. Whether it's not activating, giving a blurry background, or just not working at all, we're going to fix it today. So if you're ready to get those professional looking portraits back, let's dive right in. First, let's make sure that portrait mode is available on your iPhone. Portrait mode was introduced with the iPhone 7 Plus and newer models. So if you have an iPhone 6s or older, unfortunately portrait mode isn't supported. Make sure you're using an iPhone that supports portrait mode. If your device is compatible, let's move on to the next step. Sometimes it's as simple as being in the wrong camera mode. Open your camera app and swipe to the portrait mode. You'll see it listed right next to photo and pano. Portrait mode works best with a single subject in the foreground, so make sure you've selected it before you take your shot. Lighting is key when you're using portrait mode. So it needs to detect the subject and the background properly to create that beautiful blurred effect. If the lighting is too dim or uneven, portrait mode can struggle to create that nice clean depth effect. Try to be in a well lit area or use the flash to help brighten the scene, especially if you're indoors or at night. Now another reason portrait might not be working is if your subject is too close to the background. Portrait mode works best when there's a little bit of distance between your subject and the background. Try to move your subject at least 2 to 3 feet away from the background. This gives your iPhone's camera enough room to create that blurred bokeh effect. Now, sometimes portrait mode issues can be simple as a dirty lens, fingerprints, dust, or smudges can confuse your iPhone's camera sensor. Simply use a microfiber cloth to gently clean your iPhone's camera lens. If portrait mode still isn't working, try restarting the camera app. Just swipe or double tap your home button and find the camera app and swipe it away. And there you have it. Hopefully one of these tips has helped fix portrait mode on your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel.